Clyde tells you it's great to have you with us. Andy Townsend is here with me for this one.
Can't wait for this match to start today, club. It's a pleasure to be here.
This has the look of a close match to me, Andy.
I am well and truly on the fence today, Mr. Tilsley. I can't separate these two.
It's time for all the talking to stop, and there has been plenty of that. Time for the action now. Pass was telegraphed, really. Chance to shoot.
Rather anxious clearance.
I'm going to say that's just a good interception. And there's a nice ball. With his head! What a goal! As soon as the ball was in the air, you had an idea he was going to get to it first.
If you give good players time and space to pick a pass, they're going to punish you, and that's exactly what's happened.
It has taken just 5 minutes for the first goal of the game to arrive. Got to pass it better than that. So there'll be a throw. Always looking to get forward with the ball. Yes, good, searching ball. Hard to find a way through. Nothing wrong with that. Not easy to break down.
Beautifully done.
Real chance. Directed goalwards. They've got a corner here.
Scrambled away.
Hits it.
Wasn't sure what was on there, so he did the sensible thing, got it clear.
Up the flank, here comes the cross. It's a credit to their sheer willpower as much as their defensive organisation. They had to scrap and battle to keep them out, but they stood firm. They're on the ball again.
You can see what he was trying to do, just slip it through to him. They needed the keeper to be bold and positive there, and he was very quick off his line.
Yeah, ever so quick to pounce on that, Clive. Good goalkeeping.
Asking for trouble when you lose the ball like that. Looking to get at the defence here.
Oh dear, they've lost the ball. They need to guard against the counter.
In a good position, but now they need to defend.
Very good at reading the game like that. He's trying a shot. Some save, dive across to keep it out. Now, what can they produce from the corner?
Desperate defending. Nodded on. Oh, that's clever.
Trying to build some pressure here. To set something up. Not quite. That's what they need. Can't find a way through. Well, a teammate making a run there.
Such a good passer.
They're such a good passing side when they get into this rhythm. They don't give it away. What a chance! Genuine chance! Oh, he's hit the post! How close can you get?
Keeper can watch it go for a goal kick.
Pushing forward here.
Little back heel.
Defenders need to be on their toes here. Ball being passed carefully. Neat touch. Can he pick someone out? Looking to get forward here. Lost the defender completely. Options here. Has a shot.
Rather anxious clearance.
Played a nice ball. Big chance. Looking to shoot.
Scrambled away to safety.
Good interception. Good idea. Looking to carry the attack to them here. There's the cross. Didn't trouble the defence. Excellent ball. Going for goal. Keep it a beat. Letting the ball do the work. Nice idea. Someone's unmarked. Managed to build up some pressure there, but it came to nothing. Always danger when this man's on the ball. He's got a chance. I suppose you'd have to say the defender was well positioned. Need to take better care of the ball.
That's a poor pass. Not quite sure who he was looking for there. Throw in.
That's what they've got to do. That's a cutting pass.
And that will be a goal kick. Ivanov.
They're on the attack here. Distributes the ball well. You can just get rid of the ball. Played on. Good defending. Oh, he thought he timed his run there, but the flag went up.
Well, he's unlucky there, Clive. He's just been pulled up there. The flag's gone up. It's a correct decision, but he would have had an awful lot to do from where he was. There was no way he was going to get through and score easily from there.
Good stuff. Good 1-2. Good passing. Real chance, headed goalwards. Oh, good keeping. He has some grab and make up to get to that. Always looking to get forward with the ball. Rolling it around nicely. Opening here. Loses it. The shot's on! That's it for this first half. The referee has blown. Scores 1-0.
Well, after getting that early goal, Clive, this team really have to keep going forward now. They've got to keep getting at the opposition as much as they can.
Some weary legs out there now. Bit of extra energy may just do the trick. Get them back into this game. That's the reason for the change. The managers have had 15 minutes to get their points across. Let's see if anyone was listening to them. Looking to get at the defence here. Keeping the ball moving. Couldn't get through. There's a good ball in there too. Defenders have got a problem here. Can he take the chance? Keeper makes the save. Now, can they get something from this corner? They can let it go for a goal kick. They do like to get the ball out wide when they can, trying to build some pressure here. This is developing nicely. Looking it about. He's beating men at will. They don't have a clue how to stop him at the moment. Nicely played. Defence held. Didn't even test the goalkeeper there. Pushing forward here. Spoke too soon, attack's broken down. They've got some defending to do now.
You know, I was getting excited for a split second there, but it's all come to nothing.
He is a good passer. Wouldn't let him pass. No one was getting to that before him. Possession changing hands here. Nice pass. Intercepted. To get forward here. Good effort. Oh, he's missed it! Off the post! Oh, whisker away! Now, can they open them up? Chance here. He'll have a go. Oh, if only he could have kept his cool. They might have been on level terms.
Frustration all round, Clive, because they really should have tied the game there. That was a very good opportunity.
Maybe some fresh legs will do it for him. A chance for the substitute to go on and make a name for himself. And who knows, maybe save the game. They're on the ball again. Good anticipation by the defender. Now, do they have a long throw specialist? Chance to cross it. Chance to shoot. Oh, well, he was maybe a bit casual there. They really can't afford to take anything for granted, though.
Well, look, it's all about the technique. If you don't take care with your technique, how on earth are you going to hit the target?
That doesn't look good. I think he's badly injured there.
Yeah, I think those anxious looks from the bench, Clive, saying, oh, that looks a nasty, nasty injury.
Now, I can only think there must be an injury here, because the player coming off has only recently gone on. Looking to carry the attack to them here. Careless, they've lost it, they've got to get back now.
Yeah, looked good for a split second there, Clive, but some defending to do now.
That's a good interception. Always danger when this man's on the ball. Beaten away by the keeper. keep hold of the ball.
Sometimes football surprises you, and I must admit this is a much better game than I expected.
I'm really enjoying this, Clive. We're seeing two teams really going for it here.
Getting the ball forward quickly.
There's not much defending going on out there. Where are the tackles? Very quick to cut the ball out. Well found. They're on the attack here. Big chance! Block the shot. That's a nice pass. Can't find a way through. Just cut the ball out there. What a fine pass. Oh, can't lose it there. Thinks he can score. Oh, he's got to do better than that. That was a chance to extend their lead.
Now, that's a dreadful effort. There was no need to try it from there, and that's miles wide. The goalkeeper, no problem with that.
It's always a predicament whether to change a winning team, but the manager is looking to cement the victory now. This is a tactical change. That's a useful ball too. Can they get to it? The crop. Instant hit! Had a go, but it wasn't the best.
Well, look, I've seen people score from that sort of distance, but not here, Clive. I'm afraid the accuracy just wasn't there.
Always looking to get forward with the ball. What a chance! Really good interception there. Might find a way through here, the men in the middle. Well, that's a good pass. Defence stayed firm. Good ball. He's blocked that. To make progress down the wing now. That's a useful ball. Gets his head to it. He was looking for the top corner, but it went well over.
Seemed to hit it well enough, Clive, but it's miles wide. It's nowhere near accurate enough, I'm afraid.
We have a substitution here. The manager just trying something new, looking to settle things down and keep the lead. It'll be interesting to see how much added time there is. Just 8 of the 90 to go. Trying their luck down the wing. Looking to get at the defence here. Cleared well out of danger. Dug out a clearance, but they've got to keep the ball better than that. Still danger.
Yeah, a bit of distance on that clearance, but now they've lost possession. They're coming back at them.
That's what they need. Making use of the ball. They defended that situation really well, but they don't want to get pushed back like that again for a while. build some pressure here. It's a chance. Oh, that's outstanding defending. That could be as important as scoring a goal. They were in trouble there for a moment. It's going to be a throw-in. Good idea. Nicely played. Caught in possession. Got it out of harm's way. Oh, look at this! Chance to pick someone out. Got the ball, not the man.
Attack fizzles out, it's a goal kick.
There's the whistle. That's how it will finish. Full time.
All in all, that early goal was probably the key to this victory.
Yeah, that gave them a lot of confidence, and I think it settled them down, Clive. Whenever you score early on in a match, it always sets you up nicely.
It's our pleasure to bring these games to you. Until the next one, take care.